and end if, while and end while, and for and end for. So common type we have 9 expressions. 9 expressions, in that almost 8 expressions are very correctly we are in day-to-day life of activities we are using. Come to the flowchart. Flowchart, it is entirely graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart is a diagram made up of box, diamonds, and other shapes connected by arrows. Each shape represents a step in process, and the arrow shows the order in which they occur. For example, symbol rectangle, it represents the process of activities. Then lightly tilting of rectangle, it is comes under input and output of activities, IO operations. Then diamond symbol, it represents the decision. Circle, it represents the connector. And rectangle with 2 lines, that is right hand and left hand, it is called as a predefined process. And oval shape of activities, it is called as a terminal. Then up and down arrows and horizontal and vertical flow lines, it shows the direction of flow of data, or it may be a process. So commonly we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 symbols we will use in the flowchart to visually represent our algorithms, easy to understand by the users or the programmer. What is the process was happening, what is the input will come, what is the output will we get, and what is the decision we are going to take, and what type of connections we are going to make, what is the predefined process is there, where we are going to terminal, and where that flows and lines are going to flow. Like that we will easily represent with the help of this flowchart symbols. Apart from that, we have another symbols also there. That is symbol with a process of action step. It is a small square box. And flow line, we already discussed it. Directions of process flow. And start and terminator, that is a oval shape of symbols. Start or end point of process of flow. Decisions, it's a diamond symbol representations. Connector, inspection point, and inventory, raw material storage. Then inventory upper side, it is finished goods storage, and preparations, initial step and other preparation steps before the start of process flow, and alternate process also we are represented here. Rules for drawing a flowchart. There are 7 rules we have to follow. One is, in drawing a proper flowchart, all necessary requirements should be listed out in a logical order. So we have to follow some sequential order based on the requirement. Then only we have to draw our flowchart. Flowchart should be clear, neat, easy to flow. There should not be any room for ambiguities in understanding the flowchart. It means it may be in very clear and neat and easy to understandable format. If it have any confusions or not having a clear cut-off idea, then it may create a lot of confusions. So you should create a flowchart, means you have to aware about that necessary requirement, and list out the logical order of activities. Then only you have to create your flowchart. The usual direction of the flow of a procedure or system is from left to right or top to bottom. Only one flow line should come out from the process symbol. For example, here we have top to bottom. Here we have top to bottom and left process of activities. Only one flow line should enter a decision symbol, but 2 or 3 flow lines, one for each possible answer, can leave the decision symbol. Only one flow line is used in conjunctions with the terminal symbol. This is the example, another type of example. Here only one flow line should come out from the process of symbol. This is an example.